Everyone has heard of water that's infused with slices of cucumber, lemon, watermelon and a bunch of others. But not too many people have heard about garlic water. If you're interested to know how to make garlic water and why drink it, too, simply watch this video until the end. In this video we are talking about 5 health benefits of garlic water and also talk how to make garlic water at home. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video on your different social media sites after watching it out. Your health-conscious family and friends will surely thank you for doing so. First we talk how to make garlic water. To make the freshest garlic water out there, you will need to get your hands on a stainless steel tea infuser. It's something that you can easily buy these days as brewing tea at home is quite popular. Peel fresh garlic cloves and mince. Place in the stainless steel tea infuser. Add fresh lemon slices, too. Afterwards, immerse in warm water. Add 3 drops of olive oil to the cup of warm water and allow 15 minutes to pass. Remove the stainless steel tea infuser, give the brew a quick stir and then consume right away. The ingredients used. You may be wondering why a couple of other ingredients are also used in making fresh garlic water. Well, each one of them offers something special to give you the best cup of garlic water ever. Lemon has antioxidants, and it helps protect those powerful compounds in garlic from damage. Also, lemon has its own set of health perks to offer. On the other hand, olive oil helps absorb some of the fat-soluble compounds in garlic, making sure that they are still intact the moment you start drinking your garlic water. Fresh garlic water is best. On the internet, you may come across recipes for making garlic water that takes a couple of hours to complete because of the need to allow garlic cloves to soak in water for a long time. However, none of them allows you to enjoy the best garlic water because the resulting product is no longer fresh. For best results, you should consume nothing but freshly made garlic water. You see, garlic water can easily become bad. No, it's not because of bacterial activity that happens with food, but it's due to the fact that prolonged exposure to the environment can make garlic ineffective. Surprising health benefits of garlic. There are simply lots and lots of health benefits to enjoy for regularly drinking garlic water. But today we talk about 5 amazing health benefits of garlic water. 1. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. 2. Detox. The sulfhydryl compound in the garlic helps remove toxic substances from the body. Therefore, if you have had a heavy dinner last night, it is always a good idea to start the next day on a detox mode. 3. Digestion and weight loss benefits. Drinking garlic water first thing in the morning stimulates digestion and appetite. A smoother digestion, amongst other things, also aids effective weight loss. Eating raw garlic is also effective for tummy problems like diarrhea. 4. For skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. 5. The Blood Purifier. Tired of covering up those zits with concealer every morning? It's time to tackle the root cause of acne by purifying your blood from inside to get healthy skin on the outside. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day, early in the morning, and consume a lot of water the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. Just a few words of caution. Because garlic water is so powerful, you really don't have to drink it every single day. Having a cup of it once or twice a week is usually enough for you to enjoy the many health benefits it's known to offer. The best time to drink garlic water, by the way, is first thing in the morning. Without anything in your stomach, you can rest assured that nothing can keep it from being properly absorbed. If currently you are taking blood thinners or blood pressure lowering medications, do not take garlic water without first consulting your doctor about your plan on consuming it on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and make sure to subscribe, Health Tutor, because more incredible content on the way.